Welcome back to Customs Unlimited. I'm Andrew, and today we're going to walk you through how to install an Amber DRL override kit from Venom trucks. This is one of the hottest new plug-and-play lighting upgrades this year, and it transforms your truck's stock white daytime running lights into amber. It works by tricking your headlights with a plug-and-play harness that overrides the white DRL with the amber that is originally intended for turn signaling, all while retaining signaling and OEM functionality. Each of these kits are made in the USA and are a simple plug-and-play install. No wiring, no splicing, just plug the kit directly into your factory wiring. That means you can get this upgraded look without the risk of voiding factory warranties, and it'll take you less than 30 minutes. Check the link in the description to view the full list of vehicles that are compatible with the Venom truck harnesses. Each Venom truck override kit comes with 2 override harnesses, one for each side. Today we are installing an amber override kit on a 2024 GMC Sierra HD AT4, but this install guide is universal. The only thing different from vehicle to vehicle will be how you gain access to your headlights and the factory harnesses. Other than that, all the steps are exactly the same. Now let's jump into this quick install on one of our shop trucks to show you just how easy this really is. We're going to start this install with the driver's side, since we're going to be going through the fender liner to install the override kit and get it plugged in the back of the headlight. Now that the driver's side's all done, let's hop on over to the passenger side and get this wrapped up. Now that the install is all complete, let's pull this truck out and see how it looks. This install turned out great. These Amber DRLs are exactly what this GMC truck needed. Let's hop into the cab and go over all the functions. First, you'll want to make sure to set your factory light control to auto. When set to auto, during the day, your DRLs will be amber. At night, the DRLs will switch back to white automatically to match the headlight projectors. You may also manually control your DRLs during the day by turning your headlights to the parking light setting. This will turn your DRLs white again. We recommend just leaving the knob in the auto position and let the truck do the work for you. We're a huge fan of these Venom truck kits. If you found this video helpful, leave us a like, subscribe down below, and check out our website to order your kit today. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.